All right, now this time we're going to find the GCF of 6, 18, and 42. I'm adding another number in there. So we're going to show the factors and the listing method. All right, so we're going to look at 6, 18, and 42. All right, so let's do all the factors. We have 1 times 6, 2 times 3, and there's my u. All right, so 6 is going to be 1, 2, 3, and 6. All right, let's do 18. 1 times 18. What about 2? Yes, it's even. 2 times what? 2 times 9. Good. 3. Well, I know 1 plus 8 is 9. 3 goes into 9. Check it. 18 divided by 3 gives me 6. So 3 times 6. What about 4? Well, 18 divided by 4 equals, nope, doesn't work. 5, we know definitely because it doesn't end in 5 or 0. 6, and there's my 6. There's my u. All right, so 18 is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 18. All right, let's do 42. We know 1 times 42, good. What about 2? Yes, it's even, so we know it's 2. The question is what? 42 divided by 2, or 4 divided by 2 is 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1, so 42 divided by 2 is 21. What about 3? Well, I know it is because 4 plus 2 is 6, and 3 goes into 6. But let's check. 42 divided by 3 gives me 14. What about 4? 42 divided by 4. Nope, didn't work. 5, we know not. 6. Yes, we do know 6. And hey, if you see a 2 and a 3, you're going to see a 6. All right, so let's check it. 42 divided by 6 gives me 7, because 6 times 7 is 42. And there's my next number, 7. So there's my u. All right, so 42 is 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 14, 21, and 42. All right, let's find the numbers in common. We have a 1 in common. We have a 2 in common. Oh, look, there's 3s. It's got to be all of them, okay? And they have a 6 in common. Anything else in common? No. And so what is your greatest common factors? Your greatest common factor is 6.